Today we lost one of our own.
Now at 11, a police department in mourning. New York City's finest lose their first to the virus as the agency's counter-terrorism chief now fights to recover.
Plus, rationing critical medical supplies, the experts deliberating the gut-wrenching decisions that could determine who lives and who dies. Good evening. I'm Natalie Pascarella.
And I'm Stephen Holt. The updates have been grim. We learned late tonight that New York City has surpassed 23,000 coronavirus cases and recorded 365 deaths. Just to put that into perspective, the number of New Yorkers killed by coronavirus just this month is greater than those who died by homicide in all of 2019. We'll show you this graph here. It shows just how quickly the virus has spread across the 5 boroughs. This is since the first case was reported at the start of the month.
And tonight we learned it not only spread to one of the NYPD's top brass, it killed a member of the department. News 4's Ray Vieta following this sad breaking news, kicking off our team coverage live outside of Lenox Hill Hospital. Ray.
Hi, Natalie and Stephen. Tonight, law enforcement sources tell us Deputy Commissioner of Counterterrorism and Intelligence John Miller is here at Lenox Hill with COVID-19. We're told he is in good spirits and has been on the phone with loved ones and friends throughout the day. It comes at the same time as the department mourning the loss of its first member to COVID-19, a custodian who had been with the department for 14 years. This virus taking a toll on first responders in New York City.
Another day, another line out the door at Elmhurst Hospital. The hospital now the epicenter of the coronavirus crisis in New York City. The New York Times taking us inside the hospital to get a first-hand look at what doctors and nurses are dealing with.
They all have COVID.
The death toll continues to climb. 13 died at that hospital yesterday, another 4 today.
The folks at Elmhurst Hospital, the folks doing this noble work, need supplies, and I'm committed to getting you supplies. In fact, in the last 10 days, we have 4 times resupplied Elmhurst Hospital with additional ventilators, and we will keep doing that.
At Mount Sinai West, nurse Caius Kelly lost his life to COVID-19. Nurses there say there is a shortage of PPE. The governor's office pushing back.
They continue to assure us that they have what they need at the moment, and we've assured them that if they don't, we will get them what they need immediately.
Healthcare workers trying to save lives impacted by COVID-19. First responders, too. More than 300 members of the NYPD have the virus. Hundreds are waiting for tests. Thousands are out sick.
We are backfilling patrol where we need to. We're taking on a variety of assignments, but we make no mistake. We are going to get through this.
Meanwhile, the quiet city making parks quieter, too. Basketball hoops taken down from 80 city parks.
What do you think about the fact that they're taking them down?
It's safe, but it's like this is where we gather up. It's like a family.
In order to give folks more space to breathe outside, the city is closing up streets. In Brooklyn, parts of Bushwick Avenue will close. In Manhattan, a part of Park Avenue and a section of the Grand Concourse in the Bronx.
I'm worried. I ain't never seen nothing like it.
The changes in New York City can be seen and felt. The governor says New Yorkers are changing too.
I can tell you just from having my daughters with me, yeah, they're hurt, they're scared, but they are also learning through this. And at the end of the day, they're going to be better people for it, and they're going to be better citizens.
Again, Counterterrorism Chief John Miller here at Lenox Hill Hospital with COVID-19. According to sources, we are told again that he is in good spirits and has been on the phone with friends and family throughout the day. Now, looking towards tomorrow, we can tell you the governor will be touring temporary hospital sites, and the president says the USNS Comfort, a temporary hospital, will be headed to New York Harbor on Monday. We're live on the Upper East Side tonight. I'm Ray Vieta, News 4 New York.
Ray, thank you. And you're talking about those hospital sites as the state looks for that temporary space to meet the growing demand for hospital beds. The governor said tonight he will tour 4 sites tomorrow. The Brooklyn Cruise Terminal, Aqueduct Racetrack, New York Expo Center, and CUNY Staten Island have all been recommended to house temporary hospitals.